Hello everyone, today we talk about the Atom Cosmos and the Bitcoin double bottom, the most bullish scenario and only if. And the next is, okay, first we talk about the Atom Cosmos, and the second we talk about the Bitcoin potential of the double bottom. So first you can see that the Atom Cosmos, that this yellow line is the very strong support and the best time for you to entry. And now we haven't hit this one. But sooner or later we're gonna hit this one. Why? Because the market is downtrend, even if there is a pump. But in the March overall is the bearish. And you can find this is the indicator of the Bitcoin Ivan Bollinger Band. And you can find every time it's this Bollinger Band, either it's lower Bollinger Band or upper Bollinger Band, they always uh, doing the reversal, the bottom or the top, like this one, up and going down again, going up has the resistance, going down in here, going up, and now we are heading to going down. As you can see, if we maybe can buy, yeah, within this yellow range, maybe you can buy at the around the 14 US dollar, or maybe 20 US dollar. That's a very good price for you for to enter. And after that we can continue to run. And if the history is an indication that every time we hit this upper Bollinger Band, the price is going to down. So the next upper Bollinger Band, if you draw, it is the simulation. Look, this is the simulation. If we are following the simulation, the next Bollinger Band, the up is around 200 or 150 US dollar in here. That's why I'm still very optimistic after the Q2, Q1, maybe in the Q2 or the Q3 we find the bottom and then we are talking to bullish. That's why if you need to keep your cash. Cash is the king in the bear market. Uh, don't afraid that you lost the train because the bull run train still waiting us and maybe in the Q2 somewhere in the Q2 or Q3. And the next, what is the short prediction for the atom cosmos? I think look at this one. This white line is the moving average 50. So you can find in here the white one is the moving average 50 in week candle, and you can find that every time hit this one we are going up, hit this one going up. That's why now after we are hit this one, maybe we can going up a bit just to relax, and then after that like head cat bounce and then continue down. That's why, as also you can find that in the 32 US dollar have some resistance. So the bullish in the May 2021 before the crash happening, we have the top in here. That's why if you draw the line, maybe we can hit this one just to retest the line and then continue to going down. And the next is for the Bitcoin, you can find also, I think the most bullish scenario is like in this one. In May 2021, we find a double bottom in here and then just fly. And look, and in the December, January, we create one double bottom. The first one and the second, I think, gonna happen in the somewhere in the March or April, the second double bottom. And why I think that's so, because look, this is also same the Bitcoin Evan Bollinger Band. You can find this is the history since 2013 until now. That every hit the lower Bollinger Band, always pump in here, always pump in here, always pump. That's why now we are heading in here. This is the lower Bollinger Band. If you draw extension line in here, so after we going down, going up, and somewhere in the April, May, it's going down again, hit this Bollinger Band. That's why if the Bitcoin can hold the line around the 30K, I think it's very good for us. So you no need to wait until the crash happening until back to 20K US dollar. Yeah, 20 USK is the worst scenario. And if that happen, it's not that the bull run is over. You can find, look, in the March 2020, after the bull run, it's crashed. But people, when the people is selling, the whales is buying, and we continue to bull run. So it's like the to kill the short player they are playing in the future, and trade the long position and just wait outright. But you need to know every time we crash to this white line. So white line is the moving average 50 week. We are uh, almost always back to the red line here. So going from here back to red line, going from here back to red line. That's why there are two scenarios, whether we hold the line in the 30 or maybe we go downtrend back to the 20 until the 2024K US dollar. Okay, that's the important level that you need to watch. But in the short term, you need to understand that it's still possible that we are going back into the 40 or 38K US dollar. Why? Because we need some relaxation before we continue going downtrend in the March. Okay, and if you're asking what is the Ivan Bollinger Band logic, whether I'm just create a random or just a random or there's no pattern. Okay, as I told you in my last video, the Ivan Bollinger Band, I start creating this chart just using the pi equal to 3.14. And if you know that how you calculate the circle area, it's also using pi, right? Pi times by pi, and yeah, it's similar time frame. That's why the logic is not just random, but I'm using the simple moving average in here, and I always calculate it by using math theory, using the circle theory like this one. That's why I can create the Ivan Bollinger. And okay, I think that's for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give your thumb like that. Thank you.